Watch this, guys.
There's a recent theory coming to light right now.
Yeah.
So Elon Musk yesterday, they just announced the first ever human to have a Neuralink implant. You hear about this?
Oh, the chip?
Yeah. So there's one successful Neuralink person in the world right now. Happened yesterday. But check this out, because there's a crazy theory happening. They put Neuralink into a calculator. It's like a numerology calculator, and it comes out with a number with all the different letters. Now, I think they put it here. I'm gonna show you the video.
Yeah, let me see.
Check this out. So this is Elon Musk on Twitter, and he pretty much said the first ever human got Neuralink, right? Now, somebody put Neuralink, the name, into a gematria calculator, and guess what the number is?
What, 7?
No, 666.
Oh, hell no.
So people are saying that Neuralink, just like in the Bible, they say people will be implanted with the mark of the beast, which is 666.
Hindi lamang natin napapansin, ngunit ang end times ay malapit na nga. Dahil marami na ring propesiya na nagaganap at hindi na natin ito mapipigilan pa. Kaya naman tanggapin mo na ang Panginoong Hesukristo at tumalikod ka na sa iyong mga kasalanan bago pa mahuli ang lahat. Siguro iniisip ng iba na mabilis na proseso nga lang ito. Siguro iniisip ng iba na para itong magic na bigla na lang mangyayari. Ngunit ito ay nangangailangan ng proseso, pagdadasal at pagbabasa ng Biblia araw-araw.